So we are back with a brand new product. This time we're checking out the Kwikset Halo Select Plus. This is their new version of the Halo lock. It's still a touchpad that works specifically for a deadbolt, smart deadbolt that you can use to secure your house. It still features the Kwikset key lock system that allows you specifically to change the lock to work with whatever key you currently already have, which is really awesome. But one of the really cool features of this new Halo Select Plus is that it is Wi-Fi Matter enabled smart lock that includes being able to unlock the door with your Apple Watch or your Apple phone, as well as a more powerful motor, so you're less likely to see jammed locks as a result of maybe your weather strip or wood warping causing the bolt to not perfectly latch. So I'm really excited about that because we added a weather strip to our door and it did make it a little bit harder for the lock that we have originally to work. So let's open this up, we'll talk about what comes inside, and then we'll install it on the door and show you how it works. Okay. So this is available in satin nickel and matte black. There you go. It's a tight fit. There we go. There is the title right there, and then we have the actual lock. Okay. So there's your little nib that you type in there to be able to reset the key lock. This is the beautiful slate design. It's got a black cover for the keypad, which does have a protective film on it. This is specifically to protect it during shipping. And it pulls right off. Look how much more cleaner that is. Then this is your mechanical inside. This is your little data connector that allows to connect to the other side for the power as well as other information. But yeah. Then this is the back side. This is where the batteries are stored actually in the lock. Connects on the back with the power there, through there, standard kind of bolts. So to give you an idea, you put that through the door, this connects there, and then this locks into there. You may need to rotate that so it fits in the hole, as you can see right there. And this will unlock with that. For people with newer doors, you do have the instructions for to bore the holes, some guidance there. This instruction manual has a QR code that'll run to the app. The app will actually take you through all the steps for installing it. And then of course you do have guided boxes here, 1, 2, and 3, that will become part of the process. Box 1 has actually a set of batteries, which is really nice. And then the locking mechanism that'll be installed actually into the door. Box 2 has the screws and the door plate, as well as a sensor magnet. Nice. And then box 3 has the keys, additional mount plate, the dongle that will allow you to reset the key to the key that you currently use, and additional bolts for the internal mechanisms of the device, which is really nice. And more bolts. Okay, so we've looked at all these boxes. We're going to keep them organized so when we're going through the process, it'll be easy to go. And we are going to go take these and go set up the door. We'll be right back. So we've set that up, we've installed that, we've got that up and running, and frankly, it is pretty awesome. Hopefully you guys like that. Hopefully you guys picked it up for yourself as well. It's just a lot more powerful, and it really does solve that problem of the door not latching properly, and it's super easy to install. Well, hopefully that'll fit your guys' needs, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.